Grilling is more than just a cooking method, it's a beloved tradition that brings people together, whether it's for a casual backyard barbecue or a cozy indoor meal. But when it comes to choosing the right grill, the debate between electric and gas grills often leaves many aspiring grill masters scratching their heads. Both types of grills offer distinct advantages, from convenience and ease of use to flavor and cooking power, but which one is truly the best fit for your lifestyle? Whether you're an apartment dweller looking for a compact indoor option or a barbecue enthusiast ready to host large outdoor gatherings, understanding the pros and cons of each grill type will help you make an informed decision that satisfies your grilling needs. So, fire up your curiosity as we explore the sizzling showdown between electric and gas grills. Size. Electric grills are generally more compact and portable than gas grills. They are available in smaller sizes, making them ideal for people with limited space, such as those living in apartments or homes with small patios. Many electric grills are designed to fit on countertops or come with a stand for outdoor grilling. Their compact size makes them easy to store when not in use and convenient to transport if needed. On the other hand, gas grills tend to be larger and bulkier compared to electric grills. They are typically designed for outdoor use and can come with multiple burners, side shelves, and storage compartments. Gas grills can range from small portable models suitable for tailgating or camping to large units that can accommodate cooking for large groups or backyard parties. Temperature range. Electric grills typically have a lower maximum heat output compared to gas grills. Most electric models reach temperatures between 400 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius to 260 degrees Celsius, although some high-end models can go up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, 371 degrees Celsius. This temperature range is sufficient for most grilling tasks like cooking burgers, chicken breasts, vegetables, or fish. However, it may limit your ability to sear meats effectively at very high temperatures. Electric grills often feature adjustable temperature controls that allow you to set precise heat levels. This makes them ideal for delicate foods that require consistent lower temperatures. Gas grills excel when it comes to heat output and temperature range. Many gas models can reach temperatures over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, 316 degrees Celsius or higher, which is perfect for searing steaks and other high-heat cooking techniques like creating char marks on meats. Gas grills also offer more precise temperature control through multiple burners that allow users to create different heat zones on the grill surface. Flavor. One of the main drawbacks of electric grills is their inability to produce the same smoky flavor as gas or charcoal grills. Since they don't use an open flame or burn wood or charcoal as fuel sources, food cooked on an electric grill lacks the characteristic charred flavor associated with traditional barbecue grilling. While some models allow you to use smoker chips in special compartments to add a bit of smoky taste, it's not quite the same as using a real flame. Gas grills provide better flavor than electric models because they produce open flames that allow food to be seared directly over high heat. This direct flame contact enhances the taste by creating caramelization, the Maillard reaction, which adds depth and complexity to grilled foods' flavors. Additionally, many gas grillers enjoy using wood chips or smoker boxes filled with flavored woods like hickory or mesquite during cooking sessions. This adds even more smoky flavor without needing charcoal briquettes. Convenience. Electric grills are incredibly convenient because they require no fuel other than electricity. Simply plug them into any standard outlet, turn them on, ready go within minutes. There's no need worry about running out propane refilling tanks, dealing messy charcoal cleanup afterward either, since everything powered electrically instead. This ease of use makes electric grills perfect for quick meals or spontaneous grilling sessions. They are also ideal for people who live in apartments or condos where open flames may be prohibited. While gas grills are relatively easy to use once set up, they do require more preparation compared to electric grills. You need to ensure you have enough propane or a connection to a natural gas line before starting. If you're using a propane grill, you'll need to monitor your fuel levels and refill tanks as needed. Gas grills also take slightly longer to heat up compared to electric models, but offer more flexibility in terms of cooking multiple items at different temperatures. Maintenance. Electric grills are generally easier to maintain than gas grills because they have fewer parts that need cleaning or replacing. Many electric grill models feature removable cooking plates or grates that can be easily washed in the dishwasher or by hand. Regular maintenance involves wiping down the exterior and cleaning the grates after each use to prevent food buildup and ensure optimal performance. Gas grills require more maintenance due to their more complex design and use of fuel. After each use, it's important to clean the grates thoroughly to remove food debris and grease buildup. The burners also need regular inspection and cleaning since grease can clog them over time, affecting performance. Safety. Electric grills are generally considered safer than gas grills because they don't produce an open flame or emit carbon monoxide during operation. This makes them an excellent choice for indoor use or in areas where fire hazards are a concern. However, it's still important to follow basic safety precautions when using an electric grill, such as keeping it away from flammable objects, using proper electrical connections, especially outdoors, and ensuring that cords are not damaged. While safe when used properly, gas grills pose more risks than electric models due to their use of open flames and combustible fuels like propane or natural gas. One of the primary safety concerns with gas grills is the potential for propane leaks, which could lead to fires or explosions if not addressed promptly. Regular inspections of propane lines and connections are essential for preventing accidents. Environmental impact. Electric grills tend to have a lower environmental impact compared to gas or charcoal models since they don't rely on fossil fuels like propane or natural gas. If powered by renewable energy sources, such as solar or wind power, their carbon footprint can be significantly reduced further. Another advantage is that electric grills don't produce smoke or harmful emissions during operation, making them better for air quality both indoors and outdoors compared with traditional grilling methods that burn fuel. Gas grills emit more carbon dioxide than electric models do, primarily due to reliance on fossil fuels such as propane or natural gas. While gas grills are cleaner than charcoal grills in terms of emissions, they still contribute to greenhouse gases during operation. Propane and natural gas are fossil fuels, and their combustion releases carbon dioxide, CO2, into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. Cost. Electric grills are generally more affordable upfront than gas grills. They come in a wide range of prices, with smaller tabletop models being quite inexpensive compared to larger standalone units. The cost of operating an electric grill is also relatively low since electricity tends to be cheaper than propane or natural gas in most areas. Gas grills tend to be more expensive upfront due to their larger size and additional features like multiple burners, side shelves, and storage compartments. High-end models with advanced features such as infrared burners or rotisserie attachments can be quite costly. Cooking time. Electric grills typically take less time to preheat compared to gas or charcoal models. Since they rely on an electric heating element rather than fuel combustion, they reach their desired temperature relatively quickly, usually within 5 to 10 minutes depending on the model. This makes them ideal for quick weeknight meals when you don't have time for extensive preparation. Gas grills take slightly longer to preheat than electric models but still offer faster preheating times compared to charcoal grills. Most gas models reach their optimal cooking temperature within 10 to 15 minutes after ignition, making them relatively quick compared to traditional charcoal grilling methods that require waiting for coals to heat up. Portability. Electric grills are highly portable due to their compact size and lightweight design. Many tabletop models can easily be moved from one location to another without much effort, making them perfect for people who want a grill that can be used both indoors and outdoors depending on the weather or occasion. While some smaller portable versions of gas grills are designed for easy transport, such as those used for camping or tailgating, most gas grills tend to be larger and heavier than electric grills. Full-sized gas grills, especially those with multiple burners and additional features like side shelves or storage compartments, are less portable due to their bulk and the need for propane tanks or a natural gas connection. Durability. Electric grills tend to have fewer moving parts and mechanical components compared to gas grills, which can contribute to their overall durability. Since they don't rely on burners or fuel lines that can wear out over time, electric grills often last longer with proper care. The main components that may need replacement over time are the heating elements or cooking plates, but these are generally easy to replace. Gas grills are typically built with more durable materials like stainless steel or cast iron, especially in higher-end models. These materials can withstand exposure to outdoor elements better than electric grills, making gas grills a better choice for year-round outdoor use. However, because gas grills have more components such as burners, igniters, valves, and propane lines, there's a greater chance that parts will wear out over time. Health considerations. Electric grills are often seen as a healthier option compared to traditional charcoal or even gas grilling methods. Since they don't produce open flames or burn fossil fuels like propane or natural gas, they generate fewer harmful emissions such as carbon monoxide or volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Additionally, electric grills don't produce smoke that can carry carcinogenic compounds like polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, which are commonly found in smoke from charcoal and wood-burning grills. Gas grilling is generally considered healthier than charcoal grilling because it produces fewer carcinogens during cooking. However, like any grilling method that uses an open flame, there's still a risk of creating HCAs and PAHs when food is cooked at very high temperatures or exposed to direct flames for extended periods. Cooking capacity. Electric grills typically have smaller cooking surfaces compared to gas grills due to their compact size. This makes them suitable for small households or individuals who don't need to cook large quantities of food at once. Most tabletop electric models can accommodate 4 to 6 servings at a time, perfect for small family meals but limiting if you plan to host larger gatherings. Standalone electric grills offer more cooking space than tabletop versions but still fall short compared to full-sized gas models. If you frequently cook for large groups or enjoy hosting barbecue parties, an electric grill may not provide enough cooking capacity for your needs. Gas grills excel in terms of cooking capacity due to their larger size and multiple burners. Full-sized models often feature expansive cooking surfaces that can accommodate 10 to 20 servings at once, making them ideal for backyard parties or large family gatherings. The presence of multiple burners also allows you to create different heat zones on the grill surface, enabling you to cook various types of food simultaneously without compromising on quality. Even smaller portable gas grills tend to offer more cooking space than most electric models, making them a better option if you need more capacity but still want portability. So, which one is better? When choosing between an electric grill and a gas grill, your decision will ultimately depend on your specific needs and preferences. Choose an electric grill if you live in an apartment or have limited outdoor space. You want a grill that's easy to use indoors. You prefer quick setup with minimal effort and you're looking for an eco-friendly option with low emissions. Choose a gas grill if you have ample outdoor space. You enjoy experimenting with different grilling techniques like searing or smoking. You're looking for high heat output for perfect char marks. And you frequently cook for large groups.